Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using these services. Cricket Wireless versus Verizon Mobile, which reigns supreme in today's market? Links to both services are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll dive into the key differences between Cricket Wireless and Verizon Mobile, two prominent contenders in the mobile service arena. Verizon has built its reputation on widespread coverage and a premium network experience, offering a variety of plans designed to cater to diverse needs. Their Get More Unlimited plan, for instance, boasts perks like HD video streaming, a generous 50 GB of hotspot data, and prioritized customer support. This makes it a compelling option for users who prioritize top-notch service and reliability, such as frequent travelers, families, or business professionals who heavily depend on their mobile devices. However, this premium service comes with a premium price tag, which may not be feasible for everyone. Alternatively, Cricket Wireless presents a more budget-conscious choice, leveraging AT&T's network infrastructure. This provider offers transparent pricing and plans focused on delivering value without compromising on quality. With Cricket, you can select from several plans, including unlimited data options, although these may experience some deprioritization during periods of high network traffic. Cricket Wireless is an ideal solution for casual users whose primary mobile activities revolve around social media, web browsing, and texting, and who don't require massive data allowances or premium features. Furthermore, Cricket offers family plans and multi-line discounts, making it an attractive proposition for families seeking to minimize their mobile expenses. While both services bring their own advantages to the table, the optimal choice ultimately hinges on your specific requirements. If you place a premium on high-quality service, broad coverage, and advanced features, Verizon is likely the superior option. Conversely, if affordability, simplicity, and dependable coverage for daily use are your priorities, Cricket Wireless might be the perfect fit. By carefully considering your usage habits and budget constraints, you can determine which provider best aligns with your lifestyle, ensuring you stay connected without breaking the bank.